Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add address on your hotel's Banco map. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your hotel's Banco app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. We just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on profile, click on it here. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to contact, click here on edit, click on it. When you click on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down, come here to address, and here add the country and duration, then here address and app switch and floor, then here city and state, then zip code, then you click here on save, then it's going to save your address on your hotels.com app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.